Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Manychat for beginners. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then you just have to type out using the search bar the tab Manychat. And then you'd be able to see this first website. So you just simply click on this one. Okay, and then you'd be directed to this section. And then before we create an account, let's visit the pricing section first. And as you can see right here, we have free plan, pro plan, and the elite plan. So if you're just starting using ManyChat and just want to try it out first, so you just have to go with the free plan. Okay, so you just click on the get started option at the top right of your screen, and here you just have to choose where would you want to start. So for this video, we are going to focus on Instagram. So here I'm just going to click on the Instagram, and then you can continue with your Google or continue with your Facebook account. So I'm just going to continue with my Facebook account. And then you just have to make sure that you have logged in to the same web browser to your Instagram account and then Facebook account. Okay, and here in the account section, if you cannot find your account right here, just click on the add new account option, and then just have to add your account. Okay, now so let's go back, and then I'm just going to select this account, and then after following all of those steps, you will be directed now to your dashboard. And as you can see right here on your home page, you'd be able to see this section. So now let's proceed to the automation section. So let me just check my account first and then go to the automation section. And right here, you'd be able to see all of the automations that you have created. So just click on the create a new automation at the top right. Okay, and then you'd be directed now to your workspace. So right here, we have to create a new trigger. So a trigger is an event that would start your automation. So here you just clicked on connect channel. So you have Facebook, SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram. So I'm going to connect it to Instagram, and then just click on and go to Instagram, and then you just have to follow the step-by-step process. You'd be able to connect your Instagram account. Okay, so just make sure to log into your Instagram account, and then after that, you just have to go back here to the automation section, and then just go to the create new automation, and you'd be redirected to the section where you can find ready to go template. Okay, so we have here all of the templates that you can use for your automation. And then if you would like to, find a specific template, just use the search bar at the top. For example, we are looking for Instagram templates, so just click on the template that you want to use. But for this video, I'm going to start from scratch. So just click on the start from scratch option at the top right. And then right here, let us begin creating our trigger. So a trigger is an event that starts your automation. So just have to click on to start to add a trigger. So here you just have to start the automation when. So we are going to select Instagram. So here you just have to choose your specific Instagram event that start your automation. So we have here different options. So we have post or reel comment, story reply, Instagram message, Instagram ads, live comments, and more. So for the Instagram ads, as you can see, it has a pro label. So it means that we had to subscribe to a pro plan in order for us to use this feature. Okay, so for this video, we are going to focus on the when a user sends a message to our Instagram account. Just click on it, and then here we just have to select a way to trigger the automation. So we have two different options. We have the text specific words in a message or recognize intention of a message. So we are going to use the first one, and then here you just have to type out the keywords, and then for the keywords you have to take note that it is not case sensitive. Okay, so if a message contains these keywords, then it will trigger the automation. So for example, a user will going to send hi to your account, or hello, or even just a question mark. So all you have to do here is to type out all of the possible keywords from your customers. So of course, you have to consider what kind of business do you have on Instagram, so you'd be able to determine all of the keywords that you can type out right here. Okay, and then you can also add a message condition if you want to, and then after that, just click on the create option. Okay, so this one right here at the bottom, and then you have successfully created your trigger. So now what we are going to do next is to choose our first step. Okay, so of course we are going to select Instagram. So just click on the Instagram option, and then here for our first step, we just have to add here now our message. So for example, this would be the welcome message for our customers, okay, or from the users who messaged our account. For example, good day, thank you for reaching out. So yeah, you can just, create a very short welcome message, and then you can now proceed to the next step. So let's select Instagram once again, and then right here you can now type out your follow-up message. So it depends on what kind of message do you have on Instagram, so you'd be able to know what kind of message you're going to send to your customers. I'm just going to type it right here. Please click this button and fill out the form to proceed. So something like that. And then to add a button, all you have to do is to simply click on the add button option. So that's one. Okay. And then of course, first thing that you should do here is to add your button title. So I'm just going to type out right here, clicked here. And then I'm going to select the open website option. And then do not forget to type out right here your website. Okay. And then after that, just had to click on the done option. Okay. And then here you can also add one of the content blocks. So we have text, image, delay, data collection, and more. Then here you can also choose your next step. Okay, so let me just preview this one first. So when you clicked on the preview option, this is how it's going to look like. So we have this two different message. So when someone clicked on this button, they'd be directed to that website. Okay, so now for the next step, you can add here AI step, actions, condition, and more. So of course, you can also start a new automation. So you can click here to select an automation. So you just have to pick here an existing automation. So you have to make sure that automation is not expired, or you can use that for this new automation. Okay, so you just have to close this one, and let me just remove this step. Okay, so for the next step, I'm going to add here now an action. Okay, so let me just zoom it out. So yeah, let me add a new step right here, and then let's go back to add an action. So for example, you would like to assign this conversation to one of your members. You just click on the live chat and then click on assign conversation. And here you just have to choose a team member or a group. So just select your context right here. Then after that, just have to click on save. So let us preview this once again. So when you click on this one, then your customer will going to follow your step. Then that assigned teammate will be able to message that specific user. Okay, and then you just have to set this live. And then here, of course, so you can run as many automation as you like with their pro plan. So you just have to subscribe to a pro plan in order for you to run as many automation as you wish. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.